I've seen the sun for the first time in a week or so. I wipe the sleep from my eyes. I've got nowhere to go. A cup of coffee in my hand. Got me a smoke. There's nothing to it. I just wanna be alone. The right end of a sunrise, it sure looks nice to see a new day taking shape, not starting with no night. Well, I've been rolling along on a thin dime, and I'm happy to be home. Please forgive me, I just wanna be alone. Well, I'm gonna finish this pot of coffee, and I'm gonna put me another on. Well, I might grab my threadbare mark and pick me out a song. I know I'll sit right here, I'll smoke one more and just enjoy the dawn. I'm not angry, I just wanna be alone. Me fine, shaking hands and one night stands, and that's what gets me by. But the day's getting short and the song's getting long. It's time to go. No, I'm not angry, I just wanna be alone. Well, I'm gonna finish this pot of coffee, and I'm gonna put me another on. Well, I might grab my threadbare Martin and pick me out a song. I know I'll sit right here, I'll smoke one more and just enjoy the dawn. No, I'm not angry, I just wanna be alone. Please forgive me, I just wanna be home. There's nothing to it, I just wanna be alone. There's just enough to get the band cleared, and a case of beer. Shoring up the road, it's just enough to get a full tank. A little dang from some dude in the second row. He's still hoping this guitar will make it through the end of this run. Here's to knowing it's the last song, man. I'm doing what I can. Well, I'm a fast-moving son of a gun. I don't say much, if I even talk at all. Well, you can find out what you want to know. You listen to my songs. You did not come in here to hear me speak, and I came in to sing. It's all about the song and the line and the words and the melody. I never did care to be classified because I never did call it anything to hide what it really was. I love rock and roll and songs with soul, but let's call a spade a spade. Yeah, that's a pop record, man. You're a Nashville fan. If you could sing, then you'd have it made. taste, and I appreciate your time. soon the pleasure's all mine.